Good morning, students. Up to now, we have learned about the addition, subtractions, multiplication of the fractions, and some exercise also completed. Now it is division of fractions. So before going to learn about the division of fractions, first you have to know about the concept which is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse both are same. These two words can be used. So reciprocal is nothing but the multiplicative inverse, or multiplicative inverse is nothing but the reciprocal. So first you know what is the definition here. Two fractions are said to be the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. If their product is 1. Already you know what is the meaning of multiplicative inverse in the properties of fractions. Already in the properties of fractions you learned what is the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. You see here, if a by b is a fraction, then its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is b by a. Means just you are interchanging numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator. Observe here, a by b means what is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a by b? B by a. Simply you can write by reversing numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator. For example, just whole number like a is given. What is the reciprocal of a means? You can write it as 1 by a. And the reciprocal of 1 by a is a. Okay. So for example, you see 3 by 5 is a fraction. What will be the reciprocal of 3 by 5? 5 by 3. Simply you interchange the numerator as denominator and denominator as the numerator. So this is the reciprocal of the given fraction. For example, if only a whole number like 5 is given, 5 can be written in the form of 5 by 1. You know that. To write any number in the form of the fraction, just you can write 1 in the denominator, that will become as a fraction. Now what is the reverse or inverse of this fraction? 1 by 5. Okay, so this is the reciprocal of 5. What is the reciprocal of 5? 1 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? Inverse of this, which is 5 by 1. Okay, simply you can write by interchanging numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator like this. Okay, now already you learned that if a fraction is multiplied by another fraction and you are getting 1, that fraction itself is called as the reciprocal of the given fraction. Why we are getting 1? You see, observe here, if you multiply 3 by 5 with 5 by 3, 5 gets cancelled here 5 times and 3 gets cancelled. 1 times. So you will get 1 into 1 by 1 into 1, which is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Always if you multiply a fraction with its reciprocal, you will get 1. A fraction with its reciprocal, if you multiply, always you will get 1. And at the same time, if you multiply 5 into 1 by 5 also, you will get 1. 5 gets cancelled 1 time here. You can divide this. 1 into 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, and 1 by 5 into 5 is also 1. 5 gets cancelled here, you will get 1 here. Okay, this is the property of the multiplicative inverse. Writing the multiplicative inverse is nothing but just interchanging the numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator. This is called as the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the given fraction. Right, now you know what is the reciprocal of the given fraction. Then what is the use of learning about the reciprocal here? For example, if you want to divide a fraction which is 3 by 7 by 5 by 14, means how can you write this? 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 14. So now what you have to do here, what is the procedure of division of a fraction with fraction? First you have to write the first fraction as it is, no change, and convert this division symbol as into and change the second fraction as its reciprocal. Now we are using the concept of reciprocal here. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 14 here? 14 by 7, which is the reverse. We are converting the numerator as the denominator. Sorry, here 5 here. Numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator. 14 by 5. So now you can cancel this 3 by 7 into 14 by 5 as 7 you can cancel 7 times here, 14 2 times here with 7 table. So remaining terms are 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 by 1 into 5, 5, 6 by 5. So this is the division of 3 by 7 by divided by 5 by 14. So this is the use of the reciprocal when you are doing the divisions. Means you are converting a division into the form of a multiplication. After converting into multiplication, you have to use the multiplication techniques only to solve that problem. Okay. So divisions you cannot directly divide. Just first you have to convert them into the multiplication form and then you have to use the multiplication techniques to solve that division. Okay, so this is a 6 by 5. So one more example I am giving here. This is 3 by 15 divided by 6 by 5. How to divide this? What is the first step here? Write the first fraction as it is. No need to convert this. And convert the division symbol as into. And third step is convert the second fraction as its reciprocal, which is 5 by 6. That's it. Now you have to use the multiplication concept. Okay. So now it is the multiplication only. So simply you can cancel if there is any common factors. 3 you can divide 3 times, 3 ones, 3 twos, here 5 ones, 5 threes. So now it is 1 into 1. Product of the numerators 1 into 1 by product of the denominators 3 into 2 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. So like this you can divide any fraction. So for example here it is the division of fraction by the fraction. If the problem is like this, something 5 divided by some 25 by 7. So now what you have to do here, first convert the 5 as in the form of the fraction by putting 1 in the denominator. Now this also again became as the division of two fractions. So keep the first fraction as it is, which is 5 by 1. Change the division as 1 into, and change the second fraction as its inverse, which is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So now you can cancel if there is any common factor. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So multiply the numerator into denominator, which is 1 7s are 7 by 1 5s are 5, which is 7 by 5. For example, the problem is like this: 7 by 8 divided by 4. 7 by 8 divided by 4. So here also same procedure. Convert this 4 as the fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. So now use the first concept, which is write the first fraction as it is, change the division as into, convert the second fraction as its multiplicative inverse. So is there any common factor here? No. There is no cancellation here. Just multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 7 ones are 7 by 8 fours are 32. Okay. So now one more example: 3 1 by 5 divided by 4 1 by 15. So now it is given in the form of mixed fraction. You know that whenever the mixed fractions appear, first you have to convert them into improper fractions. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 divided by 15 4s are 60 plus 1, 61 by 15. Okay. So now what you have to do here, 16 by 5, write the first fraction as it is, change the division as into, convert the second fraction as its reciprocal, which is 15 by 61. So now you can divide 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, and there is no common factor for this here. So 16 3s are 48 by 61 ones are 61. So this is the division of the two mixed fractions. Now you know how to divide different types of fractions. Okay. Now we are going to the actual concept here. One more example is given. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4 and the reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. Since 4 by 5 into 5 by 4 is equal to, we can cancel here, you will get 1. Because by multiplying the reciprocal of the any fraction, you will get always 1 here. That's why those two fractions are reciprocals to each other. Reciprocals to each other. So reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 and the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Since 1 by 5 into 5 is equal to 5 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 1, because if you cancel these two 5s, you will get always 1 here. Okay. Next, division of rules, already I explained you. So the rule for division is to divide a fraction by another fraction. The first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of second fraction. Simple. So for example, you want to divide the fraction a by b by c by d, then you have to multiply this second fraction's reciprocal with the first fraction. Means converting the division as into and converting the second fraction as the reciprocal, which is a by b into d by c, if you write in the general form. Okay. For example, it is a divided by c by d. What you have to do here? A into d by c you have to write. For example, if it is in the form of a by b divided by c, what you have to write here? A by b into 1 by c. What is the reciprocal of c here? 1 by c. So which is a by bc. Okay, like this you can use the rule. So now examples. See here, first example is 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6, which is 4 by 9 into, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 6? 6 by 5. Now there is a common factor for 9 and 6 here, which is 3 table. You can divide with 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 here, and there is no common factor for 4 and 5. Okay, now you can multiply the numerators and denominators. Product of numerators by product of denominators. Here you are using the multiplication properties because it is converted into the form of multiplication of fractions. Divisions, you cannot do divisions directly. First you have to convert them into the multiplication form and you have to use the multiplication properties. So now product of the numerators by the product of the denominators, which is 4 into 2 by 3 into 5, gives 8 by 15. Okay, next 4 divided by 5 by 6, which is, now how can you write this? 4 into, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 6? 6 by 5. So how can you write 4 here? 4 by 1 into 6 by 5. Is there any common factor here? No common factor. So multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, which is 4 6 are 24 by 1 5 are 5. Okay, so here we are using this formula. A divided by c by d is equal to a into d by c. Here a by b into c by d is equal to a by b into d by c, which is the reciprocal of this one. Okay, so now 5 by 9 divided by 5. 5 by 9 divided by 5 means a by b divided by c, means how can I write this? A by b into 1 by c. So like this, here you are writing 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So multiply the numerator, denominator, which is 4 by 45. Next, 4 by 9 divided by 2 5 by 6, means you are dividing two mixed fractions. First convert them into the improper first. So 49 by 9 divided by 6 to the 12 plus 5 17 by 6. So now we have to convert this division into the multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. So now keep the first fraction as it is, which is 49 by 9. Convert division into and convert the second fraction as its reciprocal, which is 6 by 17. And check whether there is any common factor for these two. These two are crossly. 49 and 9 there is no factors. 6 and 17 there is no factors. Check crossly also. So for 9 and 6 you can divide by 3 tables. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 here. So now you can multiply the numerators and denominators. 49 2s are 98 by 3 17s are 51. Okay, if mixed fractions are given, first convert them into improper fractions and then follow the division rule. Okay, next exercise 2c. This is as per your textbook. So now find the reciprocal of each of the following. You know that for 9 it is 1 by 9. Simply you can convert. What is the 9? What is the meaning of 9 actually? This is 9 by 1. Reciprocal of for this is 1 by 9 simply. For 3 by 7, convert its numerator as denominator and denominator as the numerator, which is 7 by 3. Next, 2 1 by 4 means first convert it into the improper. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 4, and then you have to convert it into the reciprocal. Okay. First you have to remember that, first convert it into the improper and then you have to convert. So for 9 by 4, its reciprocal is 4 by 9. For this 3 4 by 13, converted into the improper, which is 43 by 13. For this 13 by 43 is the reciprocal. For 1 by 17 it is 17. For 19 by 17 it is 71 is 71 by 19. Since it is improper, again you are converting into the mixed fraction. Okay, if you divide 71 by 19, you will get 314 by 19 as your answer, reciprocal. Okay, next second problem, divide. Okay, 25 by 5 by 3. What is the meaning of by here? It's division. So division symbol you have to write. Simply replace by with division. So 25 divided by 5 by 3. So how can you write 25 in the form of fraction? 25 by 1. Convert division as into. Take the reciprocal of 5 by 3, which is 3 by 5. You cancel 5 1s, 5 5s here. So 5 3s are 15 by 1 1s are 1, which is 15 by 1, 15. So now it is a mixed fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction into the improper, which is 7 4 are 28 plus 5 33 by 7, and change the division into, take the reciprocal of 11, which is 1 by 11. Now you can cancel crossly with 11 table. So 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are 33. So now you can multiply 3 into 1 by 7 into 1, which is 3 by 7. Okay. So next, 60 by 3 1 by 3. So 60 divided by 3 1 by 3 means what? 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Okay. So now you can convert it into the multiplication form, which is 60 by 1 into 3 by 10. 60 by 1 into 3 by 10. So now you can cancel with 10 table here, 10 1, 10 6. 6 3s are 18 by 1 1s are 1, which is 18. Next, 35 by 8 by 7. 35 by 8 divided by 7. So how can you write this? 35 by 8 into 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. So now you can cancel these two. 7 1 7 5. So next, 5 1s are 5 by 8 1s are 8. So it is 5 by 8. Next, 2 by 3 by 1 by 12. How can I write this? 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 12. How can I first convert it? 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Convert this division as into, and reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1. Now I can cancel 3 1s, 3 4s here. So 8 into 4 by 1 into 1, which is 8 4s are 32 by 1, which is 32. Okay, next, 55 by 6 by 5. So 55 divided by 6 by 5, which is 55 by 1. Convert it into multiplication, which is into 5 by 6. Okay. So now can you cancel anyone here? There is no common factor for vertically and crossly also. So vertically there is no common factor and crossly also. Okay, 55 into 5. Just multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So it is 275 by 6, which is 45 5 by 6. Next, 300 by 2 by 5. So 300 divided by 2 by 5, how can I write? 300 by 1 into, convert the division into and take the reciprocal of 2 by 5, which is 5 by 2. Can cancel 300 by 2 with 2 times, which is 2 150 times. Okay, 150 into 5 by 1. 1 into 1 is 750. It's 95 by 44 by 4, which is 95 by 44. Divided by 4 means, how can you write this? 1 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? 1 by 4. Here also there is no common factor. Just multiply numerators and denominator, which is 95 by 176. Next, evaluate. Here also we are doing the divisions only. Just what is the difference between first problem and here? Just is given a word by here symbol is given. Here also divisions only, same. So 5 under 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So 6 by 5 into 3 by 2. So you can cancel here 2 1s, 2 3s. 3 3s are 9 by 5 1s are 5, which is 9 by 5. Here 2 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 7 means 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17 by 6 into inverse of this is 7 by 5. Here also there is no common factor vertically and crossly. Okay? Crossly also there is no. So just multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. If there is no common factor, just multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, so 119 by 30. So next, 10 by 3 divided by 5 1 by 4. So convert 5 1 by 4 it's improper. This is 21 by 4. Now convert this division into form of multiplication by taking the reciprocal of second one. So 10 by 3 into 5 by 4 by 21. Okay. So now here also there is no common factor for here. So 10 4s are 40 and 3 21s are 63. So now here fourth one 4 by 8 divided by 11 by 12. So 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36 by 8. Convert this into reciprocal of 11 by 12 is 12 by 11. So now you have some common factors for 36, 8 and 12 because these are the even numbers. So first I am taking here 4 table here. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. You can take any table, crossly any table, you will get the same answer. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 here. And then I am taking 2 table here, 2 1s, 2 18s here. Okay, 18 into 3, 54 by 1 into 11, 11, which is 54 by 11. Okay, you can do this problem. Some maybe do like this also, which is 12 by 11. So first I will take these two and then you can take this also, like that also you can get the same answer. So first I am taking here 2 4s, 2 18s and then I will divide these two also, 4 1s, 4 3s. Here also I will get the same answer. Okay, 18 3 by 54 by 11. Okay, any method you can use. So next 3 by 5 divided by 2 1 by 4. So 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 by 4. So reciprocal of 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. So 3 by 5 into 4 by 9. You can cancel with 3 table here crossly. 3 1s, 3 3s. So 1 into 4 by 5 into 3 which is 4 by 50. Next 4 2 by 7 divided by 2 2 by 5. So first convert these two fractions into improper first. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30 by 7 divided by 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. Next step. What is the next step? First keep the first fraction as it is, change the division into, change the second fraction as its reciprocal which is 5 by 12. Now you have a common factor for 30 and 12 which is 6 here, 6 2s, 6 5s. So now you can multiply the numerator by denominator. 5 5s are 25 by 7 2s are 14. Next 5 2 by 7 divided by 1 1 by 2. So here 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37 by 7 divided by 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So take the reciprocal of second one and multiply. 37 by 7 into 2 by 3. Is there any common factor here? No. You cannot divide with the common factor. So just multiply numerator into numerator and denominator will get 74 by 21. Next 6 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. Okay. So now here also 6 by 5 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now convert this division into the form of multiplication by taking the reciprocal of second one which is 6 by 5 into 3 by 5. So now there is no common factor for vertically and crossly also. So multiply the numerator into numerator by denominator. 6 into 3 by 5 into 5, which is 18 by 25. Next, simplify. Here more than two operations are given. Here up to here only it is given in the form of divisions only. Here multiplication, subtractions, divisions also given. So whenever you got any problem more than two operations, you have to think about the rule, which is BODMAS rule. BODMAS. So bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order you have to use to solve this type of problems. Okay, observe here one bracket is also given. Off is not there. Division, multiplication, subtraction is given. Okay, so first whatever is there in between brackets you have to solve now. Okay, so 4 by 9 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 4 means, so 4 by 9 I am keeping as it is first. So whatever is it in the bracket I am solving here, which is subtraction of two fractions here. So subtraction or addition of fractions can be done if two fractions only given. We can use the cross multiplication method. What is the cross multiplication method? 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18, and write minus which is in between them, and 4 into 1, 4 1s are 4, by multiply the denominators as it is, 4 6 are 24. So this is the cross multiplication method to subtract the two fractions. If you want to add also, you can use the same method. For example, if it is like this, 3 6 are 18 plus you have to write here 4 1s are 4 by 6 4 6 are 24. So this is the addition. Okay, like this you can do the addition. If it is subtraction, you have to do like this. This method is only for two fractions only. If there are more than two fractions, you should have to use the LCM method only. For this also you can use the LCM method, but it is easier than the LCM method. Okay, so 3 6 are 18 minus 4 1s are 4 by 4 6 are 24 divided by 3 by 4. So now 18 minus 4 is 14 by 24 divided by 3 by 4. So now we have clear fractions here. So now this is into, this is division. Multiplication is after division, you have to do multiplication here because division comes first here. So in between which fractions division is there? These two. So first convert this into the multiplication form by converting this division as into and take the reciprocal of the 3 by 4, which is 4 by 3. So now all the fractions became in the form of multiplication form. Okay. Now you can crossly take any number from here to here, from here to here, here to here. You can crossly or vertically also you can cancel the numbers, but you should not cancel the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator numbers. You should not cancel with these with 3 and 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. You cannot cancel these denominators. That is wrong. You should have to cancel with numerator and with any denominator. Any numerator with the any denominator you can cancel, or any denominator with the any numerator you can cancel. You can cancel vertically also and crossly also. You can take this number and this number also, this number and this number also. Any number crossly you can take, and vertically also. 14 and 24 you can take. So like that you can use the cancellation method. Okay. Now I am taking here 4 and 24 because these two are even numbers. We can cancel with 4 table, 4 1s, 4 6 are 24 here. Okay. Now I am taking here 2 table. Okay, 2 3s are 6, here 2 2s are 4, and there is no other cancellation and there is no common factor. That's why I am multiplying these, which is 1 into 14 into 2 by 9 into 3 into 3, which is 28 by 81. So like this we can do the simplification. Okay, this is very important. While you are doing the cancellations, you cannot cancel the numerator terms to numerator and denominator terms to denominator. You should cancel a numerator and with all the denominator you can cancel, or a denominator you can cancel with all the numerators. So that you have to remember. Next, 5 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 4. Okay, Now first you have to convert the mixed fractions into improper, you know that. So which is 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 2 into 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 minus 9 by 2 divided by 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4. So now here also you have to use the BODMAS rule, which is whichever is in the bracket you have to solve them. So use the cross multiplication method here. So first write the 11 by 2 as it is into 7 2s are 14 minus 2 9s are 18 divided by multiply the both denominators. This is 2 2s are 4 divided by 13 by 4. Now it is 14 minus 18 is you are subtracting bigger number from the smaller number. That's why you will get minus 4 here. You get the minus 4 here. You already learned in the integers. Okay, now it is 11 by 2 into minus 4 by 4, which is here, divided by 13 by 4. Now you can cancel 4 with minus 4 one time here, minus 1 time. So 4 1s are 4 here, 4 minus 1 times here. 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. So that's why it is 4 1s are 4, 4 into minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 you will get here. So and you can write it as 11 by 2 into minus 1 by 1 into now you have to convert this division into multiplication form. This is over already. So now you can convert these two fractions as the multiplication by taking division as the into and take the reciprocal of 13 by 4 as 4 by 13. So observe here, now you can cancel 2 and 4 with 2 table. So 2 1s, 2 2s here. So now there is no common factors, multiply 11 into minus 1 into 2 here divided by 1 into 1 into 3, 13. It is minus 22 by 13. Okay, like that you can do this. Next, 2 by 5 of 1 7 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3 divided by 3 4 by 5. So now here you are getting off, term off is also, whichever is you can BODMAS. This is bracket, this is off. Okay, off means you know that this is into only. There is no difference between off and into. Here this is into only. Next here it is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in place of off you can write into here in the calculation. So 2 by 5 of 1 7 by 3 you can write it as 3 1s are 3 plus 7 10 by 3 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 by 3 divided by 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19 by 5. Okay. So this is the second step. Now you can write 2 by 5 of, this is first you have to do whichever is in the bracket. So 10 3s are 30 minus 5 3s are 15 by 3 3s are 9 divided by 19 by 5. 13 minus 15 is 15. So 2 by 5 of 15 by 9 into, you are converting this division as the multiplication into 5 by 19. I am writing here in the next step. Okay, now you can write off as into. Okay, so off as into you can write here off. So into. So now all the fractions converted into the multiplication of fractions. Now you can cancel here by writing them like this: 2 into 15 into 5 by 5 into 9 into 19. So 5 gets cancelled here one time, and here I am dividing 15 and 9 with 3 table, 3 3s are and 3 5s are 15 here. Okay, and there is no common factor, so multiply the numerators and denominator. 2 into 5 into 1 by 1 into 3 into 19, which is 2 5s are 10 by 19 3s are 57. Okay, next 3 1 by 2 divided by 1 3 by 4 into 1 1 by 2. So here also convert the mixed, all the fractions given in the form mixed form. So convert into improper. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 divided by 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7 by 4 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So, okay, first division and multiplication, out of these two you have to do division. So convert these two fractions into form of multiplication, which is 7 by 2 into 4 by 7. Okay, 7 by 2 into 4 by 7 into 3 by 2. So now all became in the form of multiplication. So you can cancel 7 and 7 here, here 2 and 4 gets divided by the 2 table, 2 1s here, 2 2s here. Now here it is 2, here it is 2. So you can cancel these two, 2 and 2 one time here. Okay, now remaining terms are 1 into 1 into 3 by 1 into 1 into 1, which is 3 by 1. We will get 3 here. Okay, up to here I am concluding this session. From the next session, next video, I will explain from the fifth problem, which are the word problems. Okay, good day all of you.